Everyone, welcome to my channel. So I am Jagrav and you are watching Cool Jaguar. And before we go into our content of today's video, I make you a request. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Be sure to like my videos, and if you have already done those things, be sure to click the notification bell icon and set the notifications to all so that you can see the video I posted every time I post it. So now let's just get into the video. And sorry, it took me 2 weeks to make a new video. Yes, 2 weeks, but it has come. So now we are going to just get into the video without any further ado. So here I'm going to name it YouTube World. That's it. Creative. So guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can make a lift in Minecraft. So we'll just spawn. It'll take some time. No, I am not inviting players to play in this in this world. Not the thing I want to do. So let's see where have I spawned. Well, never mind where I've spawned. This much space is enough for me to make the lift. So guys, today I'm as I told you, I'm going to teach you how to make a lift. So for the lift, you need some basic items, which is at least one block of your choice, or if you want to put a design, you can take 2, 3, or as many blocks as you want. I'm going to take only 2, so I'm going to go for concrete, and I'm taking green concrete, that is 1, and a yellow concrete. Okay, so now let's start. And what I need, and oh, quality is very bad. Anyways, you place 1 block, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is that, and you need a door. So I'll just fetch a door. You can take any door you want to. I'm going to take warp door and place it there. So we got our basic thing. Oh look, there's a zombie. Never mind that. So now, since this much is done, oh, I don't need a 2 space. Okay, here, and then put the door here. Good. Now I cover that with like this, and now I start building it like that. So you can do as much as blocks you want, that is okay. But what you would also need is, just a minute, yes, scaffolding. You need scaffolding, so you get that and put it like that. That's how you want to put the thing. And now look at that, you can go out. Well, yes, you can go out and up and down. So now I'm going to place as many floors as you can place, as many floors as you want to. I'm just going to place another floor which will be high enough from the bottom of it. Okay, this is at a nice height. Some more, just one more layer. This is the last. Yes, and now put that and put the door again, and now be sure to cover this thing. Good. So now since you have done that much, okay, actually try to place the door inside, not outside. And you don't need these 2 blocks at the sides, nor do you need this. You just need it in that. No, actually no, you need these 2 blocks, and you need the door like that. Yes, that's what you want. And then you take your second block Oh, what is happening? Why is that? Fine, never mind. Yes, so you cover it from the top, but that's just the last part. You need to place scaffolding to this level, not higher than that, and then you place the green concrete. Okay, so now you need to make a level. Since it's a lift, it needs levels, right? So you can make any way. I just do this. I'll just make a normal green concrete one. Now what you need is some fence. So since I am using the warp door, I'll use the warp fence as well. So you place that one there, and then start putting it all over this platform so that you don't overstep it and don't fall down. Yes, so that is kind of it. But what else you need to do is you need to cover this whole thing properly. So like that, and put another green concrete in the middle, like the second block you have in the middle. So guys, now the lift is ready. What you just need to do is open this door, and then you can see this button, jump button. If you simply click on that, or you need to continuously press it, you get this. Oh no, that's not good. We need this and one more. Yes, that's good. And you come out here, and you have come in your platform. Now if you want to go back, what you just need to do is, you can see a small arrow below the jump button. You click on that and you'll come down. So yes guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and most important of all, subscribe. Bye guys.